In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zillow not loading on Chrome desktop. If Zillow won't open, stalls, or shows a blank page in Chrome, we'll walk through two reliable fixes. First, we'll make sure your internet connection is solid. Then, we'll clear Chrome's cache and cookies, which often resolves stubborn loading issues. Follow along and try each part carefully. Start by checking your internet connection. Open a new tab and go to speedtest.net. Run a quick test to confirm that your connection is active and stable. If the test itself doesn't load or your speeds are unusually low, that's a sign the issue may be your network rather than Zillow or Chrome. To double-check, try loading a few other websites you visit regularly. If those pages are slow, partially load, or time out, an unstable or intermittent connection can prevent Zillow from loading fully. In that case, wait until the connection stabilizes and try Zillow again. If other sites load quickly and the speed test looks normal, your connection is likely fine, and you can move on to the next fix. Next, clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Cached files and old cookies can cause pages to fail, loop, or load outdated code, especially on complex sites like Zillow. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Settings, then select Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data. In the pop-up, check cached images and files and cookies and other site data. It's important to choose the time range, all time, so you remove anything that might be lingering from an older session. Make sure those two boxes are selected, then click Clear Data. Keep in mind, clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites, so you may need to log back in later. This is normal and part of a thorough reset. Give Chrome a moment to finish clearing everything. When it's done, return to your Zillow tab or open a fresh tab, go to Zillow.com, and let the page fully reload. With a clean cache and fresh cookies, Zillow should now load normally. That's it. By confirming your internet connection and refreshing Chrome's stored data, you've addressed the two most common reasons Zillow won't load on a desktop browser. If the site opens now, you're all set. If it still doesn't, you've ruled out connection issues and corrupted cache, which makes any further troubleshooting much simpler. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Zillow working again in Chrome.